Yeah, close the window. It's getting dark. Yeah. Yeah, be careful, huh? Yeah, it's getting darker now. Go on. You need to close the window, my love. Yeah. You're tired? Are you tired? Okay. Then take a break. Okay, then. Dark. Dark. Nighttime. Good night, everyone. So, Clark.